Norton theorem problem. So the given are R1 is equals to 4 ohms, R2 is equals to 2 ohms, R3 is equals to 5 ohms, and RL is equals to 3 ohms. So we got the RL 3 ohms. We have required RN and IN. So in case 1, R1 is equals to 4 ohms, R2 is equals to 2 ohms, R3 is equals to 5 ohms. We are finding the Rn. So here we have a formula. Rn is equals to R3 plus R1 parallel to R2. Substitute the given. We have 5 ohms plus 4 ohms parallel to 2 ohms. To calculate that, we got the answer 6.33 ohms. So for the case 2, we have to find the IN. IN is equals to I times 2 over 2 plus 5. Same with the Ohm's law, I is equals to VR, or to substitute the given, 10 of 1 over 4 plus 5 times 2 over 5 plus 2 is equals to 1.24 amps. So IN is equals to I times 2 over 2 plus 5 is equals to 1.84 times 2 over 2 plus 5 is equals to 0.525 amps. Here in case 3, we need to calculate to solve for IN. So IN is equals to 0.525 times 6.33 over 6.33 plus 3 is equal to 0.356 amps.
Oh.
Now let's proceed with the Thevenin's theorem problem. We have the given R1 4 ohms, R2 4 ohms, R3 8 ohms, R4 10 ohms, and R5 5 ohms. So we need to solve for the RTH. So to solve for that, we need to substitute the given. So RTH is equals to quantity 4 parallel to 4 plus 8 parallel to 10 is equals to 4 times 4 over 4 plus 4 plus 8 parallel to 10 is equals to quantity 2 plus 8 parallel to 10 is equal to 10 times 10 all over 10 plus 10 is equal to 5 ohms. So now that we get the RTH, we need to solve for the IL. So IL is equal to 5 over 5 plus 5 is equal to 1 half or 0.5 amps. So for I1 is equal to VH over R1 is equal to 20 over 80 over 11. We get the answer 11 over 4 or 2.75 amps. R1 is equal to quantity of 8 plus 10 parallel to 4 plus 4 is equal to 18 times 4 all over 18 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 80 over 11 ohms. For I2 is equal to 4 times I2 all over R2 is equal to 4 times 2.75 all over 22 is equal to 11 over 22 or 1 half or 0.5 amps. For R2 is equal to 8 plus 10 plus 4 is equal to 22. V2 is equal to 0.5 times 10 is equal to 5 volts.